You'll also have your luggage layer line just up there. As you can see, you also have the button for the rear tow bar, which will fold out. Power assisted back down again, just there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now this is the 5-seater model of the X5, and as you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout. Isofix points just down there, pull down armrest just in the centre, just unclip that seat belt, which reveals storage just in there, and also 2 nice sized cup holders. You have your storage behind the passenger driver's seat. You can see the ambient lighting just up there. You also have your vents just in the centre. Electric windows with your BMW individual trim in the back. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now the driver's seat is fully heated electric and memory. You have the memory function just there and the electric function just there. And then the passenger seat is just heated and electric. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors. You also have your button for your power assisted rear tailgate. Jumping inside, auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, you have keyless start from the touch of a button. Now as you can see, this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. And when the starting messages come off, I can then just go through the settings and I can tell you how many miles that this vehicle has done. And it has done, where I can find it, just over 36,650. Now that warning triangle just there's nothing to worry about, it's just due to the low fuel. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we stay currently in manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter just there. Digital dash, which changes look when you do go through the different drive modes, as you can see just there. Now going to the center screen, we can also find your satellite navigation. Now is a fully touchscreen screen. You have your navigation settings, your media, so you do have your DAB radio. You also have all these other settings just there as well. You can have your Bluetooth audio there as well. Your Bluetooth phone connectivity, pop car to reverse, your rear reversing camera. Going back off that and going home, you have your home page just there, as you can set up. Going to apps, you can see you do have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Different driver modes on this vehicle, so you do get Adaptive, Eco Pro, and also Comfort and Sport within Individual, which you can configure to suit your driver preferences. We do have the air suspension on this vehicle. Touch a button just there, it will then go down or raise, give you the extra ground clearance, or slow it onto its lowest setting. Coming down here, dual zone climate control works exactly how you would expect it to, with your 2 heated front seats, again working exactly how you would expect them to. You have your settings just down here, so you can have your traffic announcements. You can also set all these buttons up to do exactly what you want. BMW individual trim just in the centre. Pop this open, 2 nice size cup holders, storage. You also have your wireless charging with USB, 12-volt connectivity just there as well. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Now I do have the function where you can do that and it'll change the volume up and down. Now I did it too close so it didn't pick it up. You have your dial just there, your air suspension settings, your electric parking brake with auto hold, track control on and off, your parking sensor stop start on and off, and then your engine start stop button. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath from a touch of a button. And there's a look at the passenger seat with the extended thigh support, just like the driver's. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive lay finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW X5. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate the cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, press set, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed with the plus and minus trigger just there. And then to deactivate, we can simply press cancel or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and as we slow down for the roundabout, down into 3rd, and and then we can put it back into full auto from there. But as you can tell, through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there is plenty of great tech inside here as well. Of course, we've got this huge infotainment screen which not only looks incredible but is full of great features, things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, DAB radio, the list goes on. It's also incredibly comfortable in here with the full leather interior, electrical adjustments for both front passengers, and of course the electrically adjustable steering wheel. To finish it all off, of course, the seats are heated too. So incredibly comfortable car, perfect for those long distance journeys. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as offering free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a five-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 400 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We do really want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put a vehicle into reverse and then also drive over a speed bump. So emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes just there, no problems at all. Straight into reverse, again problem free. Reversing camera and a visual display of all of our sensors there as well. And of course, last test for the car is driving over the speed bump. There we go, completely free from any unwanted knocks or bangs throughout the entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in our video online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. Now that is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.